Fracap boots over £300 only last 6 months. What's going on, guys? In today's project we're talking about a really expensive pair of Fracap boots that unfortunately have worn out in only 6 months. So if you take a close look at these guys have the Vibram Christie soles, and due to them just being foam, they just wear out extremely quickly. So unfortunately, we're just going to have to strip these guys apart, rebuild them back up to their former glory, but with some additional extras. We're going to be adding in a nice thick leather midsole, hand stitched to the boot, and we'll get the proper Vibram Wedge soles on that are solid rubber. So these guys are going to last for years to come. Without any further ado, let's get these guys cracked open and see what we're working with. Alright guys, so now we're going to begin the breakdown process on these much loved, worn out Fracap boots. Now unfortunately, when you pay well over £300 for a pair of boots, you'd expect them to last several years, but 6 months is pretty bad. So what we're going to be doing with these is stripping them down, rebuilding them with proper materials, and they'll last for years to come. So let's get going. Alright guys, so that's our boots completely stripped apart, removed all the materials we need to remove from them. So let's take a quick look at how these boots are actually constructed. Now they're completely different from your typical Goodyear welted construction, where we have a separate piece of leather that's stitched and sewn to the side of the boot, and that's what we stitch everything through. These are what's called a stitch down construction. So if you take a close look at the uppers here, you can see that the upper comes down and flares out at the sides all the way around the boot, and that's what we stitch through, calling it a stitch down construction. Now, it's a pretty good construction. The only problem when repairing them is we need to hand stitch the midsoles back in place. It really doesn't work putting it on the Goodyear welting machine. It just doesn't feed the shoe through properly. Past experience, I've had some bad experience with that. It just never works. So it's always the best to hand stitch when you've got a stitch down construction. It takes a little bit extra time, but the end result, we get all into the original holes. It just looks super, super fresh. Alright, so that's the glues on our boots nice and dry. Now we're going to pop our leather sole into the heat lamp, and that's going to reactivate those glues and get them really nice and sticky, tacky, ready for a good bond onto these boots. Okay, so now we're going to be using the groover tool here. We're going to groove a channel all the way 360 degrees around the boot. That's for the stitching to lie inside. It's going to allow us to get a really nice bond, and for future resoles we could just peel this old sole off and stick one on. So it's a lot better for the future repairs. It's going to cost less for the next repairs and so on. So definitely good for the leather midsole for that kind of option. Okay, so now it's time to do some hand stitching on these boots. We're going to get these leather midsoles stitched and secured. But first, we want to really protect the side of the shoe where we're going to be putting the needle through, so we don't get any scuff marks or any marks at all on the actual upper leather. So we're just going to pop on some masking tape all the way around here, and that's just going to keep it nice and safe. Alright guys, so that's our soles completely finished off, looking awesome. So now we're just going to put in a little bit of conditioner into these uppers just to condition them and get them nice and supple. So we've got some Cream Universal from Saphir. It's the best product ever. We're just going to slap that over the whole thing, let it dry in, and then we'll just brush it up to a high shine. Alright guys, that's us completely done with this week's major restoration project. When these Fracaps came in, 6 months and these things just wore down to hell. But we've managed to save them, resurrect them back from the dead, and we've done a nice leather midsole, hand stitched down, and we've gone for the Vibram 4014 full solid rubber. Now these are going to last for years to come. So let me know what you guys think about the finished results in the comments below, and as always, we'll catch you legends in next week's video. Peace out.